When it comes to topographical surveying in Noida Sector 62, it is crucial to hire the services of professional surveyors who are well-versed in this field. Topographical surveyors play a vital role in mapping and measuring the physical features of a specific area. They utilize various tools and techniques to accurately capture the elevation, contours, and other details of the land. In Noida Sector 62, which is a rapidly developing region, it is essential to have accurate topographical surveys to support urban planning and infrastructure development projects. The role of topographical surveyors in Noida Sector 62 goes beyond just collecting data. They are responsible for analyzing and interpreting the gathered information to create detailed maps and reports. These maps are used by architects, engineers, and construction companies to plan and design various projects. Whether it is the construction of roads, buildings, or drainage systems, having precise topographical surveys is crucial for ensuring efficient and effective project execution. One important aspect of topographical surveys in Noida Sector 62 is SCON design. SCON stands for Site Connectivity and Open Space Network Design, which focuses on creating well-connected and accessible public spaces within a specific area. This design approach emphasizes the integration of pedestrian-friendly pathways, cycling lanes, parks, and recreational areas. By incorporating SCON design principles into urban planning, Noida Sector 62 can create a sustainable and livable environment for its residents. They accurately assess the existing terrain and infrastructure to identify potential opportunities for creating open spaces and connectivity networks. By considering factors such as elevation changes, natural features, and existing infrastructure, they can propose optimal routes for pathways and cycle tracks. Hiring the services of experienced, qualified surveyors is essential when it comes to topographical surveying in Noida Sector 62. A certain area's physical features must be mapped and measured by topographical surveyors. To precisely record the elevation, contours, and other features of the terrain, they make use of a variety of tools and methods. Accurate topographical surveys are necessary to support urban planning and infrastructure development initiatives in Noida Sector 62, a rapidly growing area. In Noida Sector 62, topographical surveyors' duties go beyond merely gathering information. In order to provide comprehensive maps and reports, they are in charge of analyzing and interpreting the information gathered. Architects, engineers, and construction firms use these maps to plan and design a variety of projects. Having accurate topographical surveys is essential for ensuring efficient and effective project execution, whether the project is the construction of roads, buildings, or drainage systems. SCON design is a crucial component of topographical surveys in Noida Sector 62. Site Connectivity and Open Space Network Design, or SCON, is a field of study that focuses on developing